Hi, myself Premanan Pillai. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for latest IT related video. This is my fifth video. Today I will tell you about installation of Exch Server 2010. This is a continuation, and today I will prepare active domain. We just prepared schema. Now primarily I will go to the drive where this installed. You can see that is here, and now I will select this path, copy. Now I will go to command prompt and run as an administrator. Now I will type cd space. I will paste the command, and now we are in the folder that is created or downloaded from the Microsoft site. Now I will just type set up space slash prepare ad space slash full colon. You must create an organization name. I'm creating PM, that is my organization. Now I will press enter. Okay, sorry, I must write organization name. Now you can see here, actually this one is a command, setup space slash prepare id space slash organization name full colon PM. You can see here copying setup files. It is completed and it will take some time. Don't press any key while the installation is going on. You can see here organization tech, and you must see the videos sequence wise and do this in proper sequence, otherwise you will get some error messages. So see the full video through sequence. And I will also tell you how to check the organization is created or not. The organization name is created. You can check, you can cross check that by two ways. I will also tell you how to check both the ways, how to check organization is created or not. It will take some time. You must see that is there any error messages coming. If there is an error message, then it will not continue. You must first fault find what is happening, what happened, and what is the reason, and then you must clear that fault, and then you must again install these processes. It is taking some time. Now you can see the Microsoft Exchange Server setup operation completed successfully. If you got an error message or somewhat here, then you must find what happened. And now I will close this. There is no need of restarting. Okay, now I will check this by going to computer management, server management. That is, now I will go to ports. Here it is. I will go to Active Directory, users. You can see here Active Directory, users and computers. Okay, now I will go to managed accounts. You can see here there is a managed accounts, and here it is, Microsoft Exchange Security Groups. Previously there was no any Microsoft Security Groups. Now it is appeared here because of my installation. And there is another way, I will tell you that also. Primarily you must go to administrative tools, that is in control panel. Go to administrative tools and you will get ADSI edit. Just right click, open, and now just click and connect to. You can see here name. I will select this to configuration. Okay, just change to configuration, and now I will press OK. Now you can see here configuration. Double clicking on that, you will get CN is equal to configuration. Show you. The organization is created. That is, here you can see here that class is configuration and name is configuration, DC frame. I created frame, so this is showing like this. And if you have created something else, then for meaning you may create your organization name or something like that, and it will show like that. There is no big issue. Okay, that means it is okay. And now you can see here also there are so many things here. Right, forest updates. You can see here the main thing is here. I will go to CN equal to services and just go to CN is equal to print. You can see here this is actually the name just created, and it is okay. Thank you for watching. I'll post the next video as soon as possible. Please subscribe and press bell icon for latest IT related videos.